In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stockcharts Shareable Charts. By the end, you'll know how to open a chart in the ACP platform, tailor it to your needs, and generate a simple link you can share with anyone. First, let's get a chart open in ACP, which stands for Advanced Charting Platform. Open your web browser and go to stockcharts.com/ACP. Once the page loads, look for the ticker field near the top. Type in the ticker symbol you want to analyze, then press Enter or click Go. In a moment, ACP will display the chart for that symbol with the default style. This step is all about getting the base chart on your screen, so you have a canvas to work with before you customize and share. Next, make the chart your own. This is where indicators, overlays, and time frame come into play. Indicators typically appear in separate panels or beneath the price, offering math-based insights like momentum or trend strength. Overlays sit directly on top of the price bars or candles, helping you visualize things like moving averages or volatility bands. Time frame controls how much price history you see and the granularity of each bar, whether that's daily, weekly, or intraday. As you add and adjust these elements, keep your objective in mind. Highlight what matters most for your analysis. If you're studying trend direction, a couple of moving averages and a clean time frame might be enough. If you're watching momentum shifts, consider an indicator like RSI or another oscillator. Aim for clarity. Fewer, well-chosen tools can often tell the story better than a crowded chart. Make any tweaks until the chart looks exactly the way you want it to appear for others. When you're ready to share, head to the Chart Actions menu at the bottom left of the ACP screen. Click Share. A small pop-up will appear with a permalink, which is a short URL that captures your current chart's settings. Click Copy Link. That's it. Your customized view, including your indicators, overlays, and time frame, is now packaged into a single, shareable link. Paste it into an email, a message, a document, or wherever you collaborate. Anyone who opens the link will see the same configuration you created, with up-to-date market data. To wrap up, open a chart in ACP, customize it thoughtfully, then use the Share option to copy a permalink. It's a fast, reliable way to communicate exactly what you're seeing on your screen. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.